Bananas on Salt Spring Island in December. Thriving. Palms. Bananas. We're at Hal's Saloon. And where are there's some bananas up there. And then there's tons of bananas down there. And no, we haven't had any frost here at this end of Salt Spring Island. I'm sure there's some areas of Salt Spring Island that have had frost in the colder growing zones, but this northern end of the rock is pretty mild in the wintertime. And frosts do come late. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more palmy and banana videos and exotic plant videos here. Jungle Joe C. Also check out Banana J SSI. And this is in Canada. Yes, we are in Salt Spring Island, Canada, in the Southern Gulf Islands. Cheers.